Bati itakuwa ni timu ya Okwani na vijana ndio. Esta ili morocha rero monto moronge. Na umoja kwa morera ndio ndo maswali unamo kwa. Sasa wacha niwasalimie tena. Happy Mashujaa Day. God is good.
Tino monto koruchi tago borabu. Ndete mwakerambia monese nge general representative. Mheshimiwa Simbara. Kaki musabasi maranti nera chama girango ne kyagere ntwa mwajete to kwa mwakira kura lakini wala buna bantu bechita oburabu ndo kwate ne chando chipara cheito cha zule count kaki chiri kweteka mwese kweteka mama nyore ni ko tibanga ndo baito baniga ebila matobe esengento chipara chibutogete
rango. Leo nina huzuni sana sababu mimi ninaona kuwa si vizuri kwamba gavana wetu Simba Arati ametutumia mwakilishi wake kuja hapa kumrepresent siku ya leo. Na hata alipokuwa anatuma mwakilishi hakutuma county secretary ambaye yeye rank yake iko juu kidogo, ni mtu wa South Mogirango. Hakumtuma yeye, akatuma chair public service board. So sisi kama watu wa South Mogirango tunauliza swali. Kwani sisi etochaira mano? Mki abantu nako tochaira kani mtu wangete kura.
County ya tebenki ya koli ni national government ya tebenki ya koli. Kai uya ngateba ngatubora ni amaswali. Tubora ni amaswali. Na atene nirega na aligere irikero gari ekero base conference omuntu ngaransi ndere next chairman ya public service board inko bobori maswali etoke ya ngata kongira neri speech yo ka batari keire kono akina ono kieke bale tobora ni amaswali
omoiso abantu banegera bantu na America omondara nore visage na America akarembere mororo tikaba namba David na bateberaiga nonye chemsie njirantoma chemsie chedonchi kwenda safari basabere banyole visa ekiagara ni right ya any member of parliament or member of county assembly kogenda isiko kwa benchmarking kwa development as a county yetu mbia mono
mwancho muriria aso kibwatirite na kwariganire ase bire biga tunakubato gusanga mase yemo. By the way, happy Madaraka Day yaba ya 61 gese Kenya enyola self-attained freedom. Now iyo ndikane tagaiga kedianga ekerenge kenene kyarenge as Madaraka Day yega yo mwako yigo 2024 was Madaraka Day ya 61 gese Kenya enyola self-attained freedom. Ekerenga nigo kyarenge okwana about agriculture and food security. Ekine kekerenge kenene kyarenge okwana rero tikoli rero gochakire president, governors, county commissioners everywhere as bari gukora gucingera kuri tukoliga nigo ekerenge kyarenge asugo kwanera food security and agriculture. Bono nchege ndukiana atari tukoli rero goiga is to talk about abaraiba Kisii County. Kisii County leaders abakora litukoli rero ogosangiririkana imeyetago ebunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii. Ekerenge kanene kyarenge litukoli rero Madaraka Day ya 61 kokorekana ensemo yetago county ngimo yonsi pi no balenge kogenda etago asengencho yo gukora ugucengera na kuinyura litukoli gari ya Madaraka Day. But again tukira tumuchano bakabono iga is that abarai ba Kisii County mbameti what is Madaraka Day. Ingi bata kirigo kwa na Madaraka Day. Abarai ba Kisii County punoko buna baigwe microphone they nonga egenda go kwana kura somo nwae next siasa before ndara kwana kende gionsi nabora kumienga nonye nabarai bande mbamete nga lero Madaraka Day bakwana mashujaa. Why? Ata abantu mashujaa, happy Mashujaa Day. Happy Mashujaa Day. Na lero Madaraka Day. It means a lot. Before ndara kwana kende gionsi na ande tindiko biased so wakwata kyonde bwensi. Nde turara tirati speech cyabara ibare nga South Mugirango abo bari nge gocengari tukolya Madaraka Day eyakolekana South Mugirango county ya Kisii.
Our county commissioner, our MP, our women rep, and our chair of public service board. Na wananchi wenzangu, God is good and all the time. Leo hapa tumekuja to nurture the freedom that we got in 1963. I urge my fellow Kenyans to be able to be good stewards in order to foresee what our forefathers passed to us. Ntete mwaneiga nteno monto koruchitago borabu ntete mwakerambia monesenge general representative yomweshimiwa Simbarara kakimusa basi maramti deranja magirango nekyagere ntwa mwajete tokamwakira kura lakini wala buna bantu bechitago borabu ntobate mechando chipara cheito ozune county kakinchiri bweteka mwese bweteka makanya wale biko tibanga ntobaito boniga ebira matobe esengento chipara chibutogete egento kende igega chitago borabu dera bantu baito lero bangainire omo Simbarati nachete agateba ngoro sibirasi biri 128 abantu boito bachire ground yonsi pibanyo negerasi nanekemo ngeyoga chitago borabu lakini nchengo bori mheshimiwa Simbarati intuntu wachete to wakira chikura wachete ne slogan yari goteba Simba netaya abantu baito ba wakira chikura kintuntu ariko kuira ndio kwa mokoto kwa magendreo mheshimiwa Silvano Sosoro chipara chito ewodi nene mono chipara chito chi county ntiyo kakito mugo sabando baito bachande kire kakimo kinone chipara ibere go seisando teninda abantu baito banyare sibagwetera egento kende mnamoroche wodi ebwate ebitule bitongo igemine tinga chindo chinchirare e county ngorosi ebisima ngiga kintu mu abantu bechitago bora umutatu erebisime mbiya mona ngoro ku Celestine Bonari
Pati utakuwa ni tuya okwani ya biyana ndonda esta ili morocho rero mondo moronge na moto cha kumorera ondieno maswati onamokongo. Sasa wacha niwasalimie tena, happy Mashujaa Day. God is good. Madaraka Day. God is good all the time. Nami kwa majina naitwa Dolphin Mbwari. Niko nominated kwa county yetu ya Kisii under the UDA party. Leo tumekuja kusherehekea siku yetu ya Madaraka hapa Etago. Mimi kama mzaliwa wa South Mugirango leo nina huzuni sana. Sababu mimi ninaona kuwa si vizuri kwamba gavana wetu Simba Arati ametutumia mwakilishi wake kuja hapa kumrepresent siku ya leo. Na hata alipokuwa anatuma mwakilishi hakutuma county secretary ambaye yeye ranki yake iko juu kidogo, ni mtu wa South Mugirango. Hakumtuma yeye, akatuma chair public service board. So sisi kama watu wa South Mugirango tunauliza swali. Kwani sisi etochaira mono? Mki abantu bako tochaireka ninyi twagete kura. Itwa Mugirango tugwati mangana mange. Leo ni siku ya Madaraka, kila mtu ana uhuru wa kutembea kila mahali. Gavana angefika hapa, swali ingekuwa tu kumuuliza maendeleo 1 2 3 na ajibu maswali na tuende sisi wote nyumbani. Asante sana kwa kubariki.
Tari korera, tari komeka bamura, tari kuoga, tari gokura, na magenenderero. Wasabara wame kalage. kaunti ya mwete watebanga ngocherega serikali enani kaunti enaigwete bya sana enaigwete bya ngateba abantu bane muna mungo chakonyora abageni omugabana omukaunti commissioner ababunge amo n'aba MCA ngateba ni serikali enene ne serikali enke kumuna natuletago ekaunti yetebenki yakolire ne national government yetebenki yakolire nkayiguya ngateba ngatuburania amaswali rero natenenirega umuntu ungarasindere ne chairman ya public service board inkomo muri baswali etoke yabwatakongiraneri speech yokabatari kono akina bono kiye kabameka tuburania amaswali aba MCA mbara tuburania amaswali kero mundate osoro kwanirega nkina akolire naino aba MCA yabatera mheshimiwa Achira
njasemanyete abantu banganchete buya bakonya gonsabera nimatabagira ngomo nganchete ebento yokanda nyoreta korugorera nganganyara korugonchali no mogaka ngomo chingura baya inje mobate inje shitati yaino naenda karongo event chirebogira ngosora konte mina lero madaraka enarwete transoya ena make sure tiganyite ati nabantu kwatigende tokoli abantu nje mwaragire tokorora naiga nali tokoikubiya igotigamba tebili yamono tokwatera neamo omoiso abantu mbanega banche na America omontara nore visage na America akaremere mororo tigaba namba tebiti na bateberaiga no ni chemsie ntoma James Echetunchi kwenda safari. Basabere banyole visa, ekiagarane right ya any member of parliament, was a member of county assembly, kogenda isiko wakora benchmarking, koreka development, as a county eto, biyamono.
Ngakete gwategereire. Ekerenge kenene, kyogo chengira litukule madaraka de, na anene mono gutwara ekerenga, kyogo kwanera, igore madaraka de yiga gese myaka 61 ya eri gesa Kenya enyora obosubore bwae igo caring about agriculture and food security and agriculture enero yarenge a topic ya today lakini kantu kyo kumenga abarai batendia South Mugirango madaraka de ya lero. None of them okwanera about food security. Emibango serikali ya Kenya ya korirege sa 61 years yerire ko make sure nga food security nere Kenya. Emibango Kenya bwate guchimuto to make sure nga agriculture wakora toroboremi totware ndagire saine egera bakenya bakonyeke osaba gusiba konyeke abarai bagusiba metenga ekara kwere microphone asa abantu barabange nkyo kwana siasa obongo bwabo ime. You see here a nominated MCA okwewa microphone akwa negore madaraka day eremna kubwate microphone no wataka go blame the government, county government leadership, no wataka kuomana nga yaya sijui no. In fact nominated MCA na kyo koromanya nga the county government trakora developments as a ward asking questions about ECD classes as a ward, and yet a nominated MCA that what any budget ago budget as a ward ya sakurwa yokora development na atigire kukwana. Now abarai bagusi, there is none of them except omuntu osome speech ye governor nero kwana about food security and agriculture concerning ne topic yarengeri tukuri rero kurwa ase omurai wense nga rero togo inform niko togo tebya abakenya about food security and agriculture. That is all yarengerera abakenya batebigu nono nyori ori mashinani amenga inki government ya Kenya yakorire concerning agriculture mebango kie serikali ebwate guchasaba Kenya wetera agriculture. But abantu bwate bagusi erameteka kare kaiwe microphone abantu bare kiri bugo chigoro aguchaka kuramo murayone torakoreke in fact ritukuri rero ryaburenge rya masikani tokwanana na masikani because this day neryo konyarobo sibore obosibore bwarete Kenya wetera abantu bari barwanita abandi bagakwa amanyinga agaitika to get self-attained freedom. Nyaring 1+1. Despite differences chetu unabarai na bantu bandi. Despite differences chetu chiroro in between. Itwale kutindeka and we talk about igoro ya oboremi na enchiraba Kenya bakugendera 24 mwabanta abatokora a government, national government, county government implants kebwata about agriculture mnango gotebiga konyo gwategerere speech yomu governor yasomwa Alisas Mugirango nyakunera agriculture asibakwanira mangana hash avocado mbakwanira igoro ya fish farming mbakwanira about agriculture nebintu binde. That's all about what we wanted to hear kurwa sense moya county government in the national government. But this design abara we make yani gotene ko wati na matange kanisa anosa abantu bare 100 and above. Again tukiye gocho bongo bwa ime no kwana about okorengereri whatever wacha kurama barai. Shame on you leaders bagusi. Shame on you. Obo so kwa semore. Including the host leaders. Make sure nga turatika mangana siasa ekere mtu bire serious. Mwesekora, this is nakiagarire Kisi County. Otherwise, tutari konyora national government chi project ya national government. Dire design Bungoma County ya nyorete amagendere wetera Madaraka Day. Airport, airstrip to airport, a stadium, roads chakore kanire within Bungoma town. Na ada say event ya reko korekana. You see? So Gusi now to develop because the kind of leadership to wate leadership yo wano wonge even nominated leaders na wago trena barama elected leader unnominated otake irikura nona abantu batano ochorire nga encho asengencho but you ogotenena kwarama muntu bete elected bono twasirire oburoso twatugutirenchera twasirire amaroro agusi obwana obwonge bwechere gusi wetera barayi bare gusi. It is either to indicate differences to what in between leaders than to focus among development uche asa abantu baitu. Let's talk about development. With, I think, utare 2024. Imagine, mwanto chukokora even umwako kabere. Chikura, chikakare 2027, August. 2025, pado. 26, kikatu chake siasa 2027. Ekore kirenga toiri kutokwana rikono, hane monda kwana makegendo kene ubona ki, uyu no murayo kwana. Shwari. Murayo narwaewa, akwanira abantu about Madaraka Day. In fact, umurayo magotinena umurayo chorire n'abantu wakire chikura. Ibintu binemeremo kwana bakatwa soka. Baka no mo kwana no ebintu kisese cyange techikwanga pi. Ask a question. Yani umuntu kubonye abantu mumenye ta America. Mukoi kumara America. Tone ta abantu bitu bagenda America. Lakini nende tutageta ba musiebe bitu bara elected bagenda America bara mna. Anyway, let's empower abantu wetera agriculture. And again, I strongly believe this Madaraka Day ya 61 a topic ya agriculture and food security, that the national government, the county governments, ngwana bare ko work oso korega CNN to make sure this thing of agriculture ya kinire assembly tarigo tobuna archinsa mocha gochi eastern chinsa mocha ukambani north eastern bakorege ndike koro kwa irrigation egere tutware food security ndo twara abantu bakwa nenchara asenge nchondagira teyo konya nto kunyara. We have to develop enchara yo koroboremi na gutware ndagera na kurende ndagera egera bakenya mba tware nchara egera bakenya mba kwenchara ebore maswari ndobote chikantri nchira orere mbure gutwari mo umwaka. Those countries ngoni kuibonga abantu babakuri wetere nchara. Those countries, they have invested in agriculture wetera irrigation. They give obwoyo bokoro ko obwoyo wakoro boremi. And what we believe that this government and the county governments, they are going to work together to ensure that there is food. Those counties, Chiwato Murakera, let the government invest in irrigation in those counties, so that if we invest though in irrigation, it means tutakuwa na chakula kingi, and that is what we are going to have enough food in the country. Even today ko iwa kurwa asabara ibeto give opinions and na maoni suggestions when you are when you are the elected leader. Tenenote yabantu kwenye korocho mrenaro ahead of you usoro monene as a rank motebingo mukubwa. In terms of irrigation, agriculture, food security, according to the topic of today, ya Madaraka, you as the somebody, as the MP, as the MCA, as the governor, let's invest in agriculture. Through this means, wetere iga na iga kora iga South Mugirango mate yenda work on MSc production yanda echaya segete beka pirateramu kucharibo nyaribari just to ensure there is agriculture. We motivate abantu ba abaremi. We look chinchara choko motivate those farmers. So try as a leader kwena na your opinion as abantu barabanje kuchi other leaders no touch out of mundo direct nga I want you to do this and this and this na bako kuwa na sabantu iwanga the opinion yomuraigete it can help me, not necessarily to kwanere siasa every day. The people of Kisii County are tired to tige siasa as it function. That's why abaraiba omura yako tena kukwana nga happy Mashujaa Day today tobatu Madaraka Day asenga nchu yake. That leader, he or she was not prepared.